Hello everyone, welcome back to Quiz Intractor. In today's Guess a Zoom in Italian Brainrot Animals challenge, get ready for 20 thrilling challenges. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Intractor channel for more exciting quizzes. Guess the first character. Alright, it's Boneka Balabu. Guess the next in line. Yes, you are right. It's Udin Dindun Madin Dindun. Would you rather vegetarian brainrot animal do you like more? Tralalilu tralala or barbar padabim? And what about this character? That's awesome! It's Trippy Troppy. This one is easy. That's great! It's Tralalilu Tralala. Can you guess this character? That's amazing! Answer is Tata Tata Sahur. Guess the hidden character in the picture. That's awesome! It's Frico Camelo. Can you guess this character? Alright, it's Ballerina. Get ready for this round. Yes, you are right. It's Ballerina Lulu. Would you rather vegetarian brainrot animal do you like more? Trippy Troppy or Tata Tata Sahur? Now correct answer is Tung 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 Sahur. Now right answer is La Vaca Saturno. Congratulations, you are right. It's Barbar Patapim. Now right answer is Lirili Larila. That's awesome! It's Chimpanzini Bananini. Yes, correct answer is Boblito. Would you rather vegetarian brainrot animal do you like more? Boneka Balabu or Frico Camelo? That's great, it's Gamaramaram. Alright, it's Bombardiro Crocodilo. Would you rather vegetarian, brainrot animal? Do you like more gamaramaram or tung 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 sahur? Thanks for watching this video.